little bit of a hailstorm come through here. At the end we got mostly just pea-sized hail, but if you dig down underneath it, you get these bigger ones in there. But it was pretty rough. Somebody's having fun. And we had some pretty big chunks come down. They're a little bit bigger than marble. Thought they were bigger than that when they were coming down. Sure sounded. Started off with bigger ones. Yeah, I got like a shit ton of hail everywhere. What do you think you're doing? Truck's overheating a little bit. Got a little bit stuck here. I was gonna check my wheat here, and I was gonna avoid that puddle there because that's very slimy dirt. So I figured I would drive around, and I got in a little ways here, and then it started sinking in. So I was like, well, and then I tried backing up. And it was just slipping and slipping, so I just put it in drive and I pinned it. And for two-wheel drive, I mean, it made it pretty dang far. What do you think, Bruce? So this is where I'm at. I tried putting some wheat in there, but I guess I'll try to show you what's going on. My boots are a little bit muddy. Truck got a little warm on me. See if she'll crank up if I made her too hot. Yeah, temperature's at 215? No, 212 or whatever. So, let's see. Still move it. Yeah. He's gonna pull me out. Oh, there he is. He just showed up. So I'll show him where to go, and then we'll pull this sucker out. All right, got the chain hooked up. Come a little bit of an angle just in case that truck is gonna slip in there. Hopefully it'll pull me out. Let's see how it'll work. Close this bad boy up. Ugh. Let her rip. Got her out. Simple, simple, simple. Yeah, I got mud all up in there. I wasn't that stuck, it's just, this stuff is just really slippery. But yeah, if I switch her over a 4x4, that's gonna help me a lot. Got one more puddle here that's kind of hard to get through.